Okay, so I picked up this portable LG air conditioner. It's also got a dehumidifier and a good old fan on it. Okay, had to retire this baby right here. Okay, served me well for about 11 years, but then all of a sudden no freon and I can't fix it. So let's get back to this. That's 350 feet, 8,000 BTUs of power. Okay, right now I have it in the kitchen, my disgusting kitchen, because I'm doing a renovation right now. Because it's more lighting. Okay. Anyways, I'm going to show you how this works because that's probably why you are here. Okay. So we'll start off without the remote first. These are the features you can do without the remote. So right here is your power button. Okay. Once it's powered on, this flap comes up right here. Okay. So right now, it's on the air conditioner. These are your different modes. If you want to get it to dehumidifier, it's that. Okay. And if you want to get it to fan, that's that. Like so. Okay. Over here, you have your fan modes. Okay. For high, low, and medium. So if you press it, boink, you got your high. The fan's going to be in high in a second. Here, just change over. Now it's high, medium, okay, and low. Okay, we'll keep it in low for a bit. Okay. Now this is your temperature settings right here. Right now, it's on Celsius. We're in Canada. So if you want to go to Fahrenheit, you press the two buttons at the same time. And now we're in Fahrenheit. And this here will adjust what temperature you would like the air conditioning unit. Oh, let's get it to air conditioning first. Okay. Now if you want to adjust what temperature you would like the air conditioner to get to, see it, that's down and that's up. Okay, nice and simple. Okay. It also has a timer on it, and it also has a sleeper on it. The sleeper is basically, when you have that in sleep mode, the fan's a little quieter and the lights on the air conditioning unit dim a little bit, so you have a better sleep. Let's shut her down. Now once it starts shutting down, the flaps here go down, like so. Okay. Just like that. Okay. In the front here, that's where the your remote. It works in infrared, so you actually have to point this at the air conditioning unit, okay, for it to actually start working. Okay. This is your remote. This button right here is the power button. These two buttons here toggle, which represents this right here. Okay. Fan, this is your modes here again. You can use these modes here to get it to air conditioning, dehumidifier, and fan. Okay. This here is swing. These flaps here, you can have it oscillating back up and down, up and down, up and down. To supposedly it gives a better distribution of the air, but you know, it's up to you. This is your timer button. You can time this unit to start, so you can time it in an hour to start. You have up to 24 hours, so if you want to start this thing in 18 hours, you can do that. You can also use the timer to, for example, you have it on, and you can have it use a timer to shut it off at a certain time. You can have it shut off in 4 hours, 5 hours, whatever. It goes in 1 hour increments. I'll show you that. And this is light and sleep mode. These two items on here has to be controlled on the remote. And what that is for is at nighttime, when you have it in sleep mode, the fan's a little less loud, okay? And the lights on here are a little dimmer, okay? So that's your remote buttons. Okay, so let me show you how the timer works in this thing. To set the timer, with the remote, you put the machine on, like so. Now the machine's alive. Okay, the flaps up. Okay. You set, with the remote, what you want. So I have it at air conditioning. I have it in Celsius right now, but I showed you how to change that to Fahrenheit. So that's the temperature right now. Okay, so it's Celsius. And I have the fan on low. I set that here, okay, with the fan right here. Okay, I can have it high if I want, but all this with the remote. So do this all with the remote, okay? So as soon as you're happy with what your settings are, you shut the machine off. Okay. Now I'm going to set this air conditioner to come on for an hour, in an hour's time, okay? So I'm going to set it to come on in an hour's time. So what we do on the remote, you press timer. See that thing flashing right there? You toggle. See how it says 1 hour? Because I pressed a little button here. Or I can go to 2 hours. Okay? But I want it to come on in an hour. And all you got to do is press timer again. Boink. Once that is done, see on the machine here that was turned off, it tells you the timer is on. And in 1 hour, this will come on. You can have it come on in 2 hours. You can have it come on in 3. You have up to 24 hours for this thing to come on. And you just make the adjustment here. On here, this tells you the temperature in Celsius. As I said, you can change it to Fahrenheit if you want. Okay? That the machine will try and get to once it starts in an hour's time. And that's basically how the timer works. Okay, so at the back, for venting, this has to be vented out a window. This takes the heat out of the room, and that allows your air conditioner to perform properly by putting cool air in the room. Okay. Okay, let's get this here. This here is 2 separate pieces. This comes with the kit, with the air conditioning unit. Okay. This basically, this round piece here screws onto this plastic piece here. I'm doing it with one hand. And you just slide it right in here, like so. Okay, right? Okay, like that. And you just slap that right in there, but I need it for flexibility right now. But you see how that goes in. And this goes out to the other piece that comes with the unit. Let me get it here. Okay. One-man operation, people. Okay. Okay, so this is the window kit that comes with it. Okay. I'll probably do a tutorial on that. But horizontal or vertical, okay. You can put it in. Let's see here. This piece here attaches to the other end of the hose, and then that goes onto this. You just slide it right in here like so, and everything just snaps in. Snap. And then, again, you can have your window like this, or like this. However you want to, do it. But I'll do a tutorial on that, okay? And that'll be able to vent. It'll be able to vent. Okay. Ooh. This here, okay, out. So I'll be able to vent the heat out of the room. Okay. Now, you got to clean the filter every once in a while. I've used this for a bit, so it needs cleaning. Right up here. One hand operation here. It just pops off. People wash it, but you know what you do? You just grab a vacuum and this vacuum it. Okay, vacuum each side and you're ready to go. And let's see if I can put this back in with one hand. Okay. Sorry, people. Okay. I don't know if I could put it back in with one hand. If I could. Okay, I'll use my right hand. How's that? Okay. Okay. Okay, I don't know if I could. Okay. Okay. There we are. Snap, crackle, and pop. It's back in. See the stuff here? Just vacuum it out. Okay? It's easy to pop off. There's also a second filter down here. Same thing. I'll do it with one hand if I can. Okay, there we go. And just kind of clean and vacuum around here and put it right back in. I don't know if I can put this one back in with one hand. Maybe I can, I don't know. But it's pretty, the plastic is pretty durable. It's a bit of a challenge now for me now. Okay, there we are. Okay, snap, crackle, and pop. And that pops in there nicely. Okay, yep, yeah, we're good. Yep. Okay, so at the back here, you have you can attach a hose on here. This is for your dehumidifier. That does collect water, so it needs to be drained, okay? So you can have a hose-a-rooney. You can buy it a box store. Okay, and it pops right off like so. It's a nipple on there. Okay, sorry. I hope I wasn't mis-aiming the camera there. Okay, let's get this back on here. Okay, now it's back on. And down here for the air conditioning unit, that's where you would drain there. Okay. So that's the back of the unit, and that's how to clean it. I'll probably do a separate tutorial on cleaning that as well too. What else am I missing for you here? That's pretty well it. You can pretty well figure everything else out. It's worked so far so good, and I haven't had any problems with it. I've only had I've only had it for about maybe 2.5, 3 months. Okay, so again, it does 350 feet of fun, and and 8,000 BTUs. So I will make a few more tutorials on this unit, and let's just see how it's doing. Sorry about the condition of my my kitchen there, but I'm doing, as I said, a reno. And please like and subscribe, and I'll try and make more of these tutorials in the future.